Today we're sheepshead fishing in Florida on Siesta Key. We're fishing for sheepshead at the Point of Rocks, which is a great place to find sheepshead in the winter. My goal for today is get my son Jack his first sheepshead and catch a mess of fish for Christmas dinner tonight. We're using live fiddler crabs and sand fleas for bait on my favorite rig for catching sheepshead. This rig, along with these pencil weights, works really well in the rocky structure. The pencil weights are the secret to keeping from getting hung up in the rocks.
Oh, got one. Woo! I think he's a keeper. Sheeper. Got wrapped around. Make it easy on me here. We'll get a measure on him. Alright, first fish of the day goes 13 inches. So he's gonna go in the bucket. Jack, where's my pliers, man?
Right here.
Here, can you bring them to me, please? Keeper sheeper, Jack. Keeper sheeper. There we go.
Alright, Dad, I think I'm gonna fish.
What, you're gonna fish now?
Yeah. I'm gonna have a couple casts.
Number 2. This one feels a little better. Fighting better. Definitely a keeper. Woohoo! There we go, Jack. There we go. What's wrong with you, Jack? How come you're not catching? Alright. Go get him in the bucket. Try not to get spined. These little suckers. Jack, they like the bigger baits. Get the bigger baits. There's another one. Woo! This one's a little better, Jack. Oh, that's a nice sheep. Nice sheep.
Ow, man.
Good one, Jack. Good one.
Alright, am I in the right space?
You're in the right. Hold on. Bring it in a little bit. Good night, dude. Quit jumping.
Good night.
Nice little sheeper. Look at those teeth on that dude. No, I'm just trying to lose him, Jack. Trying to lose him. Good thing he's...
Are you sure I'm in the right spot there?
Octopus hooks get down in there good. Yeah, reel it in just a little bit, Jack. You want to be where you're right on the edge of the block. And then just stop it. You want to leave it sitting there on the rock.
Stop it right now.
That's good. If you don't get any bites right there, just reel it in a couple more times. Sit there for 10-15 seconds, then move it in. And then eventually you'll be, if you can see your line right in front of you, then you're too close. Because if they can see you, they won't bite, right? They get skittish. All right, take care of this guy.
Yeah.
You got him? Get him, Jack.
Yeah.
Oh, dude.
Got your nut head.
All right, go take him up there, Jack. And then put him next to the bucket, and then I'll take care of it, okay? Let me catch another one. I'll meet you over there. Can you get it up there? Another one. These are so much fun to catch. Got light tackle here. Just fishing with a 2500 series 10 spin fisher. And just catching nothing but no doubter keeper sheepshead. Well, it worked out. I'll go join Jack on the rocks and take care of his fish for him and take care of mine as well. This little spot I'm fishing, there's a rock structure right out in front of him where I can see him working, and then a second structure where I can't see him. I've been catching them on both. Casting past them. They're feeding on that outside wall. It wasn't a shark, Jack. That was a dolphin. So just working in slope against that rock structure.
So the rig we're using today is basically a drop shot rig. We have a loop knot here on the bottom with our 1/2 ounce pencil weights, and just above it is another dropper loop with a size 1 octopus hook from Gamakatsu. I really like these hooks for sheepshead, but you can debate what the best sheepshead hook is in the comments. I'm using a uni-to-uni knot to connect our rig to our main line. I'm using a 20 to 30 pound mono leader for the rig. What's great about this rig is you can use it from a boat, from the surf, or wade fishing like we're doing today. All you need to do is swap out the weight or size based on the depth or current that you're fishing. For this structure, I really like the pencil weights and these hooks. I'll put links to these in the video description and comments below for your convenience.
Good one.
The real good one.
He's fighting like crazy, Jack.
He does not want to get
Another sheepshead. Woo, that's a nice one. Already got a bite. Come on, take it. Yeah. Got it. Oh, I guarantee he took my bait. Nibble, nibble. Nibble, nibble. Come on, hit. These things are notorious bait stealers. Those teeth, they just crush your bait and make off with it. Come on now. Alright, this is going to be my last sheep of the day. Got a long walk. It's a lot of weight to carry. Oh yeah, another keeper. It's going to be close, but he looks to be 12. Boy, he is vicious, isn't he?
Can I take a picture of it?
Yeah. Here, I got my phone here.
Here, I'll hold it. Dad,
Whoa.
if he sprays venom at you, you're cooked.
It's wild, he's just living under a rock.
Wow. I've
Alright,
never seen it.
cover your back up, bud. I don't know how he doesn't get smushed living under a rock, Jack.
So we had a pretty successful day sheepshead fishing today. We ended up with 7 sheepshead, which is one shy of an 8-fish limit in Florida. Jack also caught his first sheepshead, which was really exciting as well. This provided enough fillets for a nice meal for dinner, which was also one of our goals. The Point of Rocks is a really great place to fish if you're in the area. It's definitely worth checking out. Jack also got to mess around flipping rocks and found a few stone crabs and a couple of rockfish, which was pretty exciting. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks.